The things you need. All right, so maybe from bread to picnics, let's talk about the weather this weekend.
Tomorrow's a good day for that.
Nice.
We've been under a gradual warming trend. It's been subtle over the past few days.
I like it.
Maybe didn't notice a whole lot from Wednesday into Thursday, but the wind relaxed and the temperatures climbed about 3 or 4 degrees. Today, no wind, and the temperatures are going to go a little higher. Saturday, they're going to peak, and I'll show you what that looks like here in the 7-day forecast. Before I get too far down the road into tomorrow, Friday morning has one minor little item to discuss. There's some low clouds hanging out here. This is the South Bay. We're looking at San Jose. From our vantage point in downtown, visibility's fine here. We're not battling fog on the road, but you can kind of see the haziness there. There's the airport. We're looking out like towards Milpitas and up towards, say, like Fremont out that way. Little bit of low cloud just for that part of the East Bay and in the Tri-Valley. You can see it kind of showing up here when we use the high-resolution depiction where we can track where the clouds are. We're getting into that time of year where we see the marine layer in the morning. It's not terribly widespread, but some of us have a few clouds overhead. Meanwhile, for San Jose, we're going to use you as the example of this warming trend. Right now, it's 43 degrees. Yesterday, you made it up to right around 65 for the daytime high. If we switch from what it feels like right now in San Jose and put this into the detailed forecast for the rest of today, the number goes to 67. So that's about 2-degree warm up from yesterday to today. When we get to the 7-day forecast for San Jose, it's 70 tomorrow, then that's the top. And then it'll get gradually cooler. Everybody has that same story. If we look at it for everybody else, these are the numbers. For today, Fremont, you'll hit 65. San Rafael will go to 66. Santa Rosa will go to 69. Concord will do that same number, and Livermore's going to 68 today for the daytime high. So let's get that 7-day squared away. San Francisco and Oakland, you're up first. Not really a whole lot of change here. We typically don't see the big swing if you're right on the bay, but it is a little warmer in Oakland tomorrow at 63. And then when we get into next week, there is a cool down again. So that's why Saturday is really the peak in terms of if you like sunny and warm, Saturday's the nicest day here. There's that San Jose 70. Don't pay much attention to that. On a technicality, there is a 10% chance of rain for only North Bay valleys on Tuesday. It's not a big deal, but it's on a technicality, we got to put it in there because there's a very small chance. And there's your warmest number in the 7-day forecast. Tomorrow, inland East Bay, mid-70s, and then you'll cool back down into the low 60s by next week. Gianna, how's the drive look?